we're just gonna push on this little tab and give it a squeeze, and then you should be able to pull your line off. Do the same for this one. Squeeze your tab, pull that right up and out. We'll set that aside. Remove your oil cap, set that aside. All right, so we're gonna grab this cover, lift it straight up, and then draw it straight forward. You have a clear view of your coils, and here's the wires. They go from the coil down to the spark plug, twist, and pull. Just do a quick comparison next side by side. Make sure we're dealing with the same part. This looks like it's gonna be great. This side goes on your spark plug, this side goes on your coil. Slide it onto the spark plug, give it a little twist as you push. Up here, if you want to use some dielectric grease, you could. Slide it right on, give it a twist as you push. That looks great. Make sure you pivot this so the wire's away from your exhaust. Don't have it turned so your wire's anywhere near your exhaust. Awesome. We're gonna do the same to all the other spark plug wires. We've got our little cover here. I'm just gonna remove the dipstick. It's gonna make my life a little bit easier trying to get this back on. Just slide it in and back. It's gonna be a little bit hard getting it along the side of this engine. Pull that up. Should slide right in. Get that dipstick tube out of the way. Clips in. Nice and snug, it's going nowhere. Grab your dipstick, slide it in. Oil cap, lock it in. Get this tube on here, click it down, give it a tug, bring it around, give it a tug. All right, let's start this up. That's power. Idle's perfect. No check engine lights, no misfire I can tell. All we gotta do now is just take it for a nice road test, and then down the road we go.